ZW3D CAD Mouse Control. We will use this simple case to introduce ZW3D mouse actions in the CAD module. Left-click on the object to pick an entity. Hold the Control key and left-click to unpick the entity. In the Put box, you can roll the wheel to change the input value. Do the same operation. You can middle-click to repeat the last operation. Press the Shift key and left-click to do chain selection. Middle-click to accept the input and finish the operation. Hold the Shift key and roll the wheel. This way we can quickly select the filter object. Roll the wheel forward to zoom in, and backward to zoom out. Another way is to press and hold the Control key and middle button to zoom. To pan the model, just press and hold the middle mouse button. Now, change the filter setting. Right-click the object and you can get a right menu. Middle-click to accept the input and perform the command. Press and hold the F3 key and right button to activate dynamic rotate with the Z-axis. Pressing and holding the right button, you can rotate the model with any point.